Hello guys, welcome to this video. Together, let's build our SMTP server with PowerMTA. If this is your first time of watching our video, kindly do well by hit the subscribe button and like the video, comment and stay updated on our videos like this. So the first thing we're going to be getting this video today is to get our VPS, which I'm going to be using Contabo. In this case, I'm going to get this VPS, and you can see I'm going to go for this plan, just a month plan, and going to be using Ubuntu server. So I'm going to be picking the version 22. Let's and get started with this. Okay, then go down and let's set our root password. Okay, set your root password. Once that is done, and we're going to click on next. All right, so this is a demo video. Okay, so this is a demo video, and which shows you how to build your server, your PowerMTA, SMTP, and send unlimited email. So now it will ask you to log into Contabo, or you should register. But because I'm already a customer, I'm just going to click I'm a customer, and I'm going to log in to my account. So once that is done, you can see my payment is being successful like that. And the next thing for us to do is to wait for their mail to come in. So once we get their mail, we're going to proceed to the next thing. And before we got their mail, you should download your byte files, because the SSH client, which we're going to be using in building the server, we're going to put the host, which they will be giving to us, the username and the password. Then we can proceed to our setup. So let's wait for the email to come in. All right, so we now have our VPS ready, and you can see here is our login data. So I can copy my username and my password. So this is the IP which I'm going to be using this tutorial, and put it here. So I'll put my username to be root, and here it's going to be a password. So I'm going to put my password here. Okay, then I will log in. Accept and save this. Now the login is done. Now we can proceed to building our SMTP server using the PowerMTA. Right now, we're just going to open a new terminal. From here, we're going to start our setup, and we're going to start by setting our host name. And if I say, then our host name is there. Then from this, we're going to be updating and upgrading our APT. So the update is done, we're going to upgrade it. And once that is done, we're going to be running the next command. Don't worry, we have the A to Z step-by-step video instruction in the tutorial course. If you are getting the full tutorial course with the file and the license with the script, config file, and all other things will be given to you in our full tutorial course. Okay, you can see that the script, you just have to follow the process the way it is, one after the other. Just keep running the code one after the other. After this, I'm going to import my PowerMTA file. Then to do that, I'm going back to this terminal. From here, I'm going to open the new SFTP, and I'm going to look for, this is the PowerMTA, and I'm going to drag and drop this right here. Then I'm going to wait for it to be completed. Once it's done importing this place, I'm going to move to the next stage. All right, so now that is completed, we go on to install our PowerMTA Ubuntu, and we're going to be installing, sorry, using this command. Okay, and it's going to be installed. So at this point, once the installation is done, we have to put our script inside this file and put our license. Then we'll set our config file before we're done with the video. So I'm going to drag these two, paste them here. So right. So we're going to wait for this our progress to be done, so we can move to the next stage. Alright, so right now I'll just drag my license and put it here. So I have my license here, and I'm going to create a file for my digging record, okay, which I've already generated. Okay, so I'm going to put the digging record. Okay, edit this on the notepad. I'm going to paste this and save it. Okay, and I'll close this. Then going to my config, I'm going to copy all this and go to the config. I will do edit, and I'm going to paste my config and save this. Okay, close. All right. So once all of this is done, we are good to go. So let's check if our server is running. I run this code and say enter, and boom, you can see it's now running. And let's proceed to run the next command. And I'm going to be running this. Okay, I'm going to allow port 1983 so we can log in back see our PowerMTA monitor. All right. Okay. So let's go in, and you can see this is our PowerMTA manager. So let's try to send a message. I'll fill in this now. You can see, and I'll say send. So let's see, and you can see says mail sent successfully. So if you get here, you can see the increase one of one. So if I send again, let's say I send again, I send, say same processing. Let's wait for it to be done, and this processing will change. You can see mail sent successfully. And if you check here, you can see it two of two. So if I check my mail now, let me check my mail. Let me log into the mail and see. And you can see here is the two emails which was sent. You can see sent successful, and you can see the sent from this host username and blah blah blah. So this is how you can build your own SMTP server, which is just a demo. If you're interested in getting the full tutorial course, which I'm going to walk you through step by step, how to build from the file, how to get your license and the rest. So hit the subscribe button, check the description below this video, and hit me up, get your own tutorials. Thanks for watching us.